Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in tech and outdoor gear. Today, we're excited to dive into one of the best outdoor lighting options you can get, the ZOOKKI Solar Outdoor Lights. These are, without a doubt, some of the best solar lights on the market today. Whether you're looking to enhance the security of your home or simply light up your garden or driveway, these lights have got you covered. The ZOOKKI solar lights come with 28 bright LEDs that deliver a powerful 400 lumens of light. These solar-powered lights are perfect for illuminating your garden, patio, fence, or driveway, with a wide 120-degree detection range. The motion sensor detects movement from as far as 26 feet away, making them an excellent security feature for any home. The lights automatically turn on when they sense motion at night and turn off after about 30 seconds of no movement, ensuring you always have just the right amount of lighting. One of the key features of these lights is their high-quality build. Made from high-impact ABS material, they can withstand extreme weather conditions, including rain, snow, and intense heat. So no matter where you live or what your weather is like, these lights will keep performing year after year. The IP65 waterproof rating means you don't have to worry about them getting damaged during a downpour or when exposed to harsh conditions. They're built to last and work consistently through all seasons. Charging is a breeze as well. Simply mount the lights in a location that gets direct sunlight during the day, and they'll be fully charged and ready to go by nightfall. The 1200 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery ensures that these lights have a long lifespan, about 5,000 hours of use. And because they don't have a dim mode, they stay bright all night, providing consistent lighting when you need it most. Installing these lights is quick and easy. You don't need any special tools, just the included screws and plugs. With a recommended installation height of 6.5 to 13 feet, you can install them on walls, fences, or any other surface around your property. Plus, they're completely wireless, so there's no need to run cables or worry about electrical outlets. The ZOOKKI solar outdoor lights are not just functional, they're a beautiful addition to any home. With a sleek black design and bright white LED light, they add a modern touch to your outdoor spaces. Whether you're lighting up a backyard patio or improving security around your home, these lights are a smart investment that will provide reliable, eco-friendly illumination. To sum up, the ZOOKKI solar outdoor lights are perfect for anyone looking to enhance outdoor lighting without the hassle of wiring or high energy costs. With their durable build, powerful illumination, and smart motion sensor features, these lights are a fantastic solution for both security and decoration. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.